have a pretty untraditional path to tech. A lot of people go to school for it, but I did not. I went to culinary school. All right, well.
I think I came to a point in my career where I was looking for a change. I was offered an opportunity to live abroad in Germany, and I took it as an opportunity to change it up and go into the tech field.
For some reason, I didn't consider having a career in information technology until much later.
My tech journey started while I was doing Uber in Seattle. I was doing Uber for 8 years as a stay-at-home dad so that I could do that on the weekends. And I was picking up all these tech people from Seattle, like Amazon developers, senior developers at Microsoft, and they were talking to me and telling me how they used to be like an English teacher, but then they taught themselves, and now they had the department of AI at Microsoft. And that's what really made it attainable.
I never would have really imagined that I'd be working in tech, but once the pandemic hit, especially here in New York, the restaurant industry was pretty much obliterated.
Like these people that have no tech backgrounds, they're not mathematical or physics geniuses, but they can do this. So it started to make me think that, okay, maybe I can do this, because they work from home. I want to do that. I don't want to leave home and go do this. I want to be home with my kids and be there for them. So that's kind of what started this whole journey. And I asked them how they learned and what they used, and they told me all these different courses and methods. And through those interactions with those passengers, that is what got me started on web development.
What surprised me the most transitioning into tech from education was the work-life balance, the company culture. I think in education it was every day felt like everything was my responsibility all the time, and it was live or die. And then it's very much the opposite in tech, at least in my current position.
Advice I would give to someone that is starting out, or if they are looking to switch industries to go into tech, it's very attainable. A lot of the skills that someone may have in a different industry are very transferable to tech.